Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can swap out the needle on your multifunctional electric sewing machine. So make sure that there's no power connected to it in case you accidentally turn it on. And this is the needle here that we're going to want to replace. So we have actually got a little thumb screw here. So let's lower down the needle to its lowest position. So if we just come here and we're just going to lower down the needle to its lowest position, it gives us more access to the little thumb screw here. And we want to turn this counterclockwise as we're looking at it from the back. So you're moving it around this way. So we're just going to loosen it here like so. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stop the needle from falling in here. But even if it does, it shouldn't go all the way in. So I'm just going to hold the needle there now because I've loosened this off. And I'm just going to lift up the needle one more time to just give me a little bit more room. Like so. And that should allow us to pull the needle out like so and bring it out here. Now if you look very closely, you're not going to see it in the camera, but if you look very closely, it should have the size of the needle written on it. And on this one it says 90/14. So 90/14, 90/14. This needle is actually okay, but if yours is bent or blunt, you're going to be replacing it. Now if you have a look, it does have a flat side. So this is all rounded and this side here is flat. Again, very hard to see in the camera, but you're going to feel it with your fingers. The flat needs to go to the back of the machine. So not the side, not the left-hand side or the front, the back. So what we're going to do is we're just going to line that up in the hole here with the flat of the needle towards the back. It will help if you put it into the hole down here so you have room to get it up inside here. And then just bring it up and you should find that it goes all the way up. So I'm just going to have to rotate it a bit and there you go. You can see now it's gone. So if you have it slightly off, you can see it's not going up, but then turn it a little bit and then it will go up like so. So near enough all the flat bits gone. You know you're in when it goes straight to the beveled bit here. Like so, and then we just need to do up the thumb screw. If it makes it easier, you can lower down the needle again like that while holding onto the needle and then just turn it clockwise from behind, so we're going this way to turn it, and that's it. Just nip it up, nice and straightforward. So that's how to replace the needle on this multifunctional electric sewing machine. Thanks for watching.